SanDisk SSD 1 terabyte, $125. When you have limited storage for creating work on your iPad Pro, an external SSD is a great solution. The SanDisk SSD is covered in a matte rubberized exterior. You can drop this up to 2 meters without damage with its 2-meter drop protection. You also get IP55 water and dust resistance, which means this small storage device can take quite a beating. It has a built-in carabiner loop for securing it on the go to your backpack, belt buckle, or anything you're taking with you. You can get up to 4 terabytes of storage with this device, resulting in 1,000 megabytes per second when transferring files. Translation, files to your SSD in minutes, resulting in more creating and less waiting. They have a USB-C port at the front of the external drive to connect to your iPad, and you can work directly on your SSD to avoid filling up your internal iPad Pro storage. It has password protection and encrypting for security and safety. To hear about even more accessories, click right here.